Hello. So here's a video on learning how to use the involvement network so it will track your hours, so when you make your resume, all of your hours will be available to you and it will save you time. So we'll start by you can Google UGA Word. And I'm already signed in, but you'll just use your UGA username and password that you would use for Athena, and it will sign you in. And it's actually nice and easy to search for what's happening. You can either just search in the search bar or go straight to events and just type CMDA. Oh, looky there. So we'll have all of our events shown on here right now. There's 2 upcoming ones that have been approved. So here's Tuesday, February 18th, we have our club meeting, and then Tuesday, February 25th is an executive board meeting that is open to members who are interested in applying for an exec position. So go ahead, click on the ones that you're able to come to. I'll go ahead and click on the club meeting. Gives you the date and time, how handy dandy. You can add it to your calendars to remind you. Haley, for the secretary, her position as secretary is opening up this semester. So if you're interested in applying, please come to the executive meeting. But however, February 18th is our next club meeting, and just go ahead and RSVP to this event. Thanks for your RSVP, and they'll send us a notification. This is kind of the trial run. After this meeting, we'll be able to see if it will log that you were there or not. If it does not, then you will have to submit a form to me, which is also through the Involvement Network, and that will be a different video showing how you can submit a request for approval for credit hours. But that will be a later video. So I've RSVP'd to this event. I'm just going to go back to events. Go back to CMDA's events, and I want to go ahead and RSVP to this meeting as well. And over there, I will be attending. Wonderful. And I will try and put a little description of what we will be talking about to keep us on track. Yeah, it tells you when and where. You can add it to your calendar. You won't see manage events up here if you are not on the executive board. That's specifically for the executive board, so we're able to input events like this. Alright, thank you so much.